Hello! Welcome to a new synth anatomy video. I know that a lot of you are LFO freaks, and I'm happy to see that a lot of the new synthesizers have only one or two LFOs. I'm happy to announce that the MiniBrute 2 has more than two LFOs. On the left side you have here LFO 1 and LFO 2, but with some hidden features you can add two more LFOs. For example, in the VCO2 you can use as normal oscillator but also as LFO. For this you go from fine to LFO here, then turn it on. And for example, I take here the cutoff, so we go to VCO2 output, in the patch bay to filter input, the cutoff, and let's see. You heard now it's an LFO, and you have also here different waveforms, for example a sine wave, a saw wave, or pulse wave. There's also a second LFO or a fourth LFO. For this you go now here to the AD envelope, and you say I don't need an envelope for my amplitude because I had to create a drone sound or more an experimental one. So you can design the AD envelope to an LFO. For this we patch now here the AD envelope again to the, for example, to the cutoff. And what is cool here is the AD envelope can be used at once, so it works as normal envelope, but you can use it also as in the loop mode, and the loop mode enables you to work as an LFO. Let's test it. The MiniBrute has more than two LFOs, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for your next patch or more experimental patch, your choice is the MiniBrute 2. You can do a lot of different modulation here. And if you have a question about this now, please leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And please let me know how important are for you the LFOs. Do you need two LFOs or one or even 3 or 4? Or even more. Please let me know. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a positive thumb and a subscription for more future videos. And don't forget to join the Patreon page to get exclusive sound content like sample libraries, preset libraries, free plugins and more. And also participate on the monthly giveaways on my Patreon page, so you can support my activity. Thank you a lot. And big thanks for watching and for continued support, and I hope to see you again very soon in one of my next videos. Bye!